Hey, these red light masks are really trending right now, and I want to tell you about this one by wavytalk. They sent this to me as a gift so that I could try it out and give you my opinion about it. And I'm going to show this to you on my face. I just want to show you a couple of really quick things and then we'll talk about it. So this is what the inside looks like, and it's got, these are the little lights. It's got the area for the nose, and then there's this special cushion areas that help go around your eye to keep it kind of off of the skin, the delicate skin around your eye. Of course, the Velcro straps, and then this is what you use to control it. So we're going to turn it on, and yeah, you can see it's on. And so you can cycle through low, medium, and high, which I'm going to show you when I have it on my face. You probably see the reflection, right? And then this button will change it to the like purple, which is the combo of the red and the blue, and then the yellow. And so and then it's also got the timer on it. So let's put it on. I'm going to show you how it works. So here I am with the mask on, and there are the buttons like I showed you before, cycling through the low, medium, high, and then cycling through the red and blue, and the yellow. And you can see the display there. It also has the timer on it as well, and the battery life there. So really nice, and it is cordless. You just charge it up, and then it's got the nice straps on the back so that it's nice and firm and secure. Looks great. And hey, if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you'd like to see more product reviews of cool products like this, please hit subscribe.